noise that it makes every single day because the wall is down. The wall is completely down and they are not my roommate. Nobody lives here except for me. And this is what the sounds like. This is what it sounds like. Every day the torture of this. Every day the wall is down. It's been down for a few weeks now. No citation was ever presented. Yeah, this is what happened every day. The torture.